Welcome to my video. The ancient city of Caesarea Maritima was built by Herod the Great in about 25 BC as a major port. It served as the administrative center of the province of Judea in the Roman Empire, and later as the capital of the Byzantine province of Palestinia Prima. We're flying directly over the Roman Hippodrome. This facility is the best preserved of its kind and could seat up to 20,000 spectators. Chariot races took place here. We were on tour in Israel during the summer of 2022, and there are videos of major sites on my YouTube channel. Can you please do me a favor and subscribe to my channel? I'm only 20 subscribers away from the important 1,000 subscriber YouTube level. You won't be disappointed. Here we are flying back and over to the Roman theater. During the Muslim conquest in the 7th century, Caesarea was the last city of the Holy Land to fall to the Arabs. And under the Crusaders, it again became a major port and a fortified city. This is the Roman theater, which is still in use today. And as you can see, they are getting it ready for a concert. It can accommodate 4,000 people. Thanks for watching. Please click the like button and consider subscribing. Shalom.